Do you study English for many hours?
Do you read big books, but you still cannot speak?
This is a very common problem. Welcome to the Confident English Podcast, a cozy space where learning English feels easy and confident.
You do not need to worry. We will help you relax.
How are you feeling today, Alex?
I feel very calm, Sophie, but thinking about grammar rules makes me tired.
I understand. We will put those heavy books away today.
Before we start, remember you can follow our podcast.
Yes, you can subscribe to listen to us every week.
Today, we will talk about a big secret.
The secret is about grammar. Studying too much grammar is a problem.
Yes, it can be a very big problem. It stops you from speaking.
Exactly. Let us talk about why this happens. Let us think about a student.
Okay, let us imagine a student. His name is Leo.
Leo is a good student. He studies English every day. He reads grammar books.
He learns many rules. He knows all the verb tenses. He does all his homework.
He gets good grades on his tests. He writes very well.
But then Leo goes out. He goes to a cafe. He wants to buy a coffee.
He stands in front of the worker. He wants to speak English, but he stops.
Yes, he freezes. He cannot speak. His mouth is closed.
Why does he stop? He knows a lot of English. He knows all the rules.
He stops because he thinks too much. He is looking for the perfect rule in his head.
He thinks, do I use present simple here? Do I use present continuous?
He thinks, what is the correct preposition? Is it in, on, or at?
Yes, he asks himself too many questions, and he asks them very fast.
Because he asks these questions, he does not speak. He feels afraid.
He is afraid of making a mistake. He wants to be perfect.
But real life is not perfect. Real life is not a grammar test.
That is a very good point, Alex. Real life is not a test.
In real life, people just want to communicate. They want to understand you.
The worker in the cafe only wants to know what coffee Leo wants.
The worker does not care about grammar rules. The worker does not grade Leo.
No, the worker just wants to give Leo his coffee.
But Leo feels heavy. His head is full of rules. The rules act like a wall.
Yes, the rules block him. They stop the words from coming out.
This is the problem with too much grammar. It makes you slow.
It makes you translate in your head. Translating takes too much time.
You think in your language, then you find the English words, then you check the grammar rules.
Then you finally speak. But it is too late. The conversation has moved on.
This happens to many people. It is very normal. Do not feel bad if this happens to you.
It is very normal. We understand. We know it feels hard. But we want to help you change this. We want you to feel free.
Yes, we want you to speak easily, without fear, without too much thinking.
How do we do this? How do we stop thinking about grammar so much?
We can look at how children learn. Children are very good learners.
Yes, children learn languages very fast, and they never read grammar books.
Exactly. A small child doesn't know what a verb is.
A child doesn't know what a preposition is. They just speak.
How do they do it? They do it by listening. They listen all the time.
They listen to their mother. They listen to their father. They listen to the world.
They hear the same words many times. They hear simple sentences.
Because they hear them many times, the words stay in their head. The sentences feel natural.
They do not memorize rules. They just copy what they hear.
And they make many mistakes. Children make funny mistakes all the time.
Yes, they do. They don't care. They are not afraid.
They just try again. They keep talking, and slowly they get better.
This is a beautiful way to learn. It is natural. It is without stress.
As adults, we can learn like this too. We can learn more naturally.
We can stop reading heavy grammar books. We can start listening more.
Listening is very powerful. When you listen, you learn grammar without trying.
Yes, you hear how words fit together. You feel the rhythm of English.
You don't need a rule to tell you. Your ears tell you what is right.
Think about a song. You learn the words of a song by listening.
You listen to the song many times, then you can sing it perfectly.
You do not study the grammar of the song. You just feel the music.
English is like a song. It has a rhythm, it has a feeling.
When you study too much grammar, you lose the music. You only see math.
Language is not math. Language is human. It is about connection.
It is about sharing ideas. It is about making friends.
You do not need perfect grammar to make a friend. You just need a warm smile.
You need a warm smile and a few simple words. That's enough. Let us talk more about making mistakes. Many people fear mistakes.
The fear of mistakes is a big wall. It stops many people.
When you study rules all day, you think mistakes are bad. You think mistakes are failures.
In a grammar book, an answer is right or wrong. There is a red mark.
But in conversation, there are no red marks. There are only smiles and nods.
If you say, I go to store yesterday, it is a grammar mistake.
Yes, the correct way is, I went to the store yesterday.
But if you say, I go to store yesterday, does the person understand you?
Yes, they understand completely. They know you mean yesterday. They know you mean the store.
They will probably say, oh, what did you buy?
They do not say, stop, you use the wrong verb tense.
No, they never say that. Only an English teacher says that.
And real life is not a classroom. In real life, people are kind. They listen to the meaning.
Meaning is the most important thing. If your meaning is clear, you are successful.
That is a great rule. Focus on meaning, not on perfect grammar.
When you focus on meaning, you relax. Your shoulders drop. You can breathe.
Let us take a breath now. Let us relax together.
Yes. Breathe in, breathe out. Learning English should feel good.
It should feel like a nice walk in the park, not like a heavy run.
So, what should our friends do instead of studying grammar books?
They should listen to simple English, just like they are doing now.
Listening to this podcast is perfect. You are hearing natural English.
You are hearing present simple. You are hearing basic past simple.
You hear how we ask questions. You hear how we answer them.
Your brain is taking pictures of the sentences. It is learning the patterns.
You do not need to write the patterns down. Your brain does the work for you.
The brain is very smart. It finds the rules by itself if you give it enough examples.
You just need to feed your brain with easy, clear English.
You can listen to podcasts. You can watch simple videos.
You can read easy books. Books with short stories are wonderful.
Yes, stories are great. When you read a story, you follow the characters.
You do not look for verbs. You look for the adventure. You look for the feelings.
And while you enjoy the story, you learn grammar naturally. It goes into your mind quietly.
It is like eating healthy food. You do not think about the vitamins. You just enjoy the meal.
That is a very good example, Sophie. You just enjoy the meal, and you grow stronger.
Thank you, Alex. I like talking about food.
Me too. Food is always a good topic.
But really, the idea is to enjoy the language. If you enjoy it, you will return to it.
If you hate studying grammar rules, you will stop learning. You will quit.
And we do not want you to quit. We want you to stay with us.
We want you to see your English grow slowly and beautifully.
Like a small plant. A plant needs water and sun. It does not need rules.
English needs listening and speaking. It does not need heavy books.
Sometimes a little grammar is okay, just a very small amount.
Yes, sometimes a simple explanation helps. It can clear a small confusion.
But it should be small, like salt on food, just a little bit.
Too much salt ruins the food. Too much grammar ruins the language.
That is very true. How much time should someone study rules?
Maybe 5% of their time. The other 95% should be listening and reading.
That sounds right. 5% is very small. It is just a quick look.
You look at a rule, you say, ah, okay, and then you go back to listening.
You go back to the real language. You go back to the human voices.
This is the secret to confidence. Confidence comes from familiarity.
Familiarity means you know it well because you see it often.
You are confident walking in your own house. You know where everything is.
You do not need a map of your house. You just walk.
Listening to English makes the language feel like your house. You know the rooms.
Studying grammar is like trying to draw a perfect map. It is too much work.
Put the map away. Just walk in the house. Enjoy the rooms.
Walk slowly. Look out the windows. Feel the space.
This is a very calm way to learn. It feels very peaceful.
Yes, we want you to have peace. No stress, no fear.
Imagine speaking to someone. You just look in their eyes. You just talk.
The words come out. Maybe a small mistake comes out too.
You smile. The other person smiles. The conversation continues.
This is success. This is beautiful English.
This is what we want for all of you. Easy, happy conversations.
Let us review what we talked about today to make it very simple to remember.
Yes. First, heavy grammar books can block you. They make you think too much.
Second, thinking too much stops you from speaking. It makes you freeze.
Third, we can learn like children. We can learn by listening a lot.
Fourth, mistakes are okay. They are normal. People still understand you.
And last, focus on meaning. Use English to connect with people, not to be perfect.
These are very good ideas. They are very simple, but very strong.
If you remember these ideas, your English journey will be happier.
You will feel lighter. You will want to practice more.
You are already doing a great job just by listening to us today.
Yes, you listened to English for many minutes. You understood us.
You are learning grammar right now, naturally, without a book.
That is a wonderful thing. Be proud of yourself.
We are very proud of you. We know you can do this.
Learning a language is a long road, but it is a beautiful road.
Walk slowly. Look at the trees. Do not carry a heavy bag of rules.
Just carry your smile and your open ears. That's enough.
It is more than enough. It's perfect.
Thank you for sitting with us today. It was a lovely time.
Yes, I really enjoyed our conversation, Sophie, and I enjoyed spending time with our listeners.
We will be here again soon with more slow, easy English.
We will talk about simple things. We will practice together gently.
If you liked this episode, please leave a comment. Tell us how you feel.
We would love it if you gave us a like. It helps our small channel grow.
And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a quiet talk with us.
Thank you, friends. Have a beautiful day. Keep listening and keep smiling.
Goodbye for now. Remember, English can feel easy and confident. Goodbye, Alex.
Goodbye, Sophie. Goodbye, everyone. See you next time.